Гей, геймерки і геймери, диспатч, третій епізод на сувязі. Ми протягуємо наше проходження. Так, Нікі. Что это, Никелис, ты? Это ты скрынь, что у нас дома пылится? Небеспечные детали. Сколько треба заробляти, каб заробіть? О, этот табор. А, ми переїжджаємо кудись?
Your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
Нам дадуть нову
That's not what I'm
квартирку.
saying.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long did that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
I get 20 minutes.
It just feels like you could be a little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad.
Так,
happened
это
to you?
є сумне
No one
місце.
ever tell you that? Or no one never come over
Я
to tell
просто,
you
я думаю,
Yeah,
Был
well,
зосереджений
I've
на
been focused
праці.
on being mecha man. It was kind of a full-time thing.
that? Right. And you only got time for buy that bubblegum chair.
та пластикові стули, того,
This is the
що
type
є.
of apartment you see when the detective kicked the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus
Where the
on...
Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Mine not. We figure them out.
Може, знайдемо
You
щось
know
з
about the
цим.
Astro Pulse?
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. There's actually two wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get the stellar core.
Can I help?
No, brother, you good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment.
Блін, так
Oh,
коли ми
brother,
були
you
на
gotta
праці
pour
весь
on
час,
super crazy energized plasma
що
state.
було з собаком?
Unreal stuff.
Хто за
Like
ним
you cut one small
глядів?
star and chop them in a bottle. Genius.
А, ти зможеш
you
це
can just
подарити?
make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astro Pulse super awesome, but we'll be alright.
Ми зробимо щось ліпше, чим
Maybe
це
we go for lighter
Astro
metals this time, huh?
А, ні, ми
You know,
не
I actually
переїжджаємо, він
mentioned
просто
that one
забирає.
time, long time ago. First time I
Почать
come in
працювати
there,
над ним.
you'll catch me trying
над
to steal stuff
костюмом.
from Radio Shack. Then we talk tech stuff for like a whole hour. Then he would take me jail. That's how I ended up in a Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bummers.
Ну, його батька так само не
Guess
було
when you're
часу.
building Astro Pulses, there's not much time for
У
talking to
кришаки
your son.
ноліки,
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
See,
ці
there's
кришаки
gearheads and
коліки.
there's science nerds.
Коліки.
One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father, one good gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to him once?
Cause I'm both. True. I'm the one gonna fix your suit. That one over there, that's your father's suit. We gonna make this one the Robert suit.
This is incredible, Roy.
Так,
I hope you like it, brother.
Roy, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say.
ну поки що дякувати, що нема за що,
Make the
але...
man Mecca again.
Ну, він такий собрачок наш. Зараз ми натхненні будемо ще більше і ще ліпше працювати. О, можна вибрати у його заставочку.
Kobe.
Нехай йде.
I think he did that on purpose.
Я думаю, что не, он просто великий. Все, у нас emotional support animal теперь за нами. Так, что там? Роберту не что ли? Все
Hey, Chase,
расплылось.
I need a favor.
Favor?
It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid-ass pieces of... Oh, who's this, huh? Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and
Beef.
he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
No, what's your name, little guy?
Beef.
My name's Beef and I'm naked. Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah.
Так. Блин, мне нравится, наши шансы замутить все поменьшились.
About
So-
the other day with Phenomenon.
Oh, yeah. How's dinner?
Oh, it was awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Over Tokyo Dream Sushi?
Yeah, it's just... the timing felt right. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt a little impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming.
А
Well,
ти
Are
щаслива?
you happy?
I don't know. I don't think I know yet. It is what it is.
Хто з ким розстався? І
But
наш
that's
син,
actually not
якби
what I
це
wanted
би
to talk
таке
to you
відчування.
about. I was
Бо
thinking
він
about it over
був
the
весь
weekend,
такий в
and
этом моєму
I'm
лайфі.
going to cut someone from the Z team. Or you are,
Ah.
rather. Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place. Create a sense of
Ти
urgency.
упевнений?
You sure about that?
Well, less sure now. You think it's a bad idea?
I'm
Я
just
думаю,
not
мало
sure how
часу.
it'll play out.
The reality is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
I'll let the team know.
І до чого
already
ти їх
did.
підштовхне? Вірно,
I
це
suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
да, життя, якого я не мали парней. О, ну наше, ну, в самом низі.
Cutty, huh? She ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? 'Cause
Мої
it's
всі хлопці.
almost exactly the information a leaderboard gives me.
17, 18 то все
I came over
наше.
to tell you that one of your team
81.
members is
Нам
in need
всього
of
200
assistance.
балів треба набирати. А скільки було у топових самих?
Sonar, you all right? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Could you send a locksmith downstairs?
What happened?
Чому
Who
ти...
seduced me?
No. I said, hey, want to see something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, team, I know Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false. I'm judging you right now.
Bullshit, because it's not like you got to deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just
No.
ignore the pressure and do your jobs.
Просто гэта
You don't
вельми
need to be
дзіўна,
first.
там
You just
вельми
can't be
шмат
last.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and
сапраўдных
help that boner?
супергероїв і ставить один шерах былих лиходеїв.
Don't ask.
Это, конечно...
A losing feeling in my hand.
Что это
In
такое?
a fun, kinky way.
А, Out of Wrestling можно забрать. А есть у нас какие-нибудь бали у кого-нибудь? Не, здається, нічого. Окей. Працюємо, сябри. Давайте.
There was
Что у
an
нас тут?
altercation with my team and a monster down at the beach, and there's some debris of... There's body parts
Треба
left behind.
прибрати этого великого пошвару з пляжу. І утилізувати його. А ще там буде вельми шмат медіа, тому нам потрібен хтось моцний. А, ён пакуль што усё яшчэ ў наручніках сидіць. А, хтось моцны і добра. Добра з медіа. Давай пойдеш ти.
I've got you.
В сенсі, я... Ні, ти
I'm
не
thinking.
йдеш.
No.
Давайте ви будете мене слухатися, як... Вони не будуть мене слухатися. А хто буде з медіа?
Fucking hell.
Ну,
They keep trying to touch me with their weird fucking clammy hands.
Yeah, baby, those will keep her busy for a while.
Ой. Ну, збегчы ты не сможешь, у тебя з мобіліці вельмі дрэва. Да просто подыграем, ну.
Ugh, I need a shower. A long one.
Ай-яй-яй, дрэнна. Карацей, гэта катка у нас не пойдзе.
Uh-huh. You know, this is really fucking immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Ну што, ты хоць здолеў? Я сумняюся.
God.
Ну,
You
да
do
рэчы,
realize that sabotaging
шансы...
each other isn't going to guarantee you a
Ooh.
spot on the team, right? Fucking idiots.
А, яны паміж сабой. Я щось і не дочитала.
There's a
Починають.
drug deal happening at the Torrance airport right now. I think you should send the bad guy. He seems right for the job.
Хтось вельмі разумны. Ну, ты.
Right.
Думаєте, хопить? Думаю, хопить.
Drug bust? Fuck yeah. My two favorite things. Drugs and boobs.
Угу. Як для себе писане задання? Ой, я ще дебуст нейкий пішов.
Turtle fans moved in, flipped a grill, started a fight, and ruined a bunch of hot dogs.
Ай. Ну, от шкода, що ти відпочиваєш, ну тоді треба тебе. Ну, давай, гэтага
What's a
я
guy
мені не
gotta do
подобається,
to
але
rise up the ranks around here?
нехай. Може, не будемо його користати.
Would
We-
everybody
we
please stay in your
couldn't.
lanes?
Nobody sabotages me except me. That's more of an existential thing. Why get in the pot in the first place? I don't want to talk about it. Said that if he wanted a spa break, I'd make sure no one bothered him. Which
Да,
I did.
помедитуй. У тебя навряд ли тримається. Ну.
Let me out!
Ой, гэта... О, это мы яго вельмі добра абралі. Сур'ёзна?
I'll, be right back. Just gotta go powder my cocaine.
Жах. Жах.
Dude, you
Так,
promised me you'd
порозмовляють з
come back.
I
Ахвярою
will, right after this bump.
і щось збирати.
More bumps.
Been a while since I had to call in a coke-related
Ніякі
favor, but this shit
як то
was
уліки,
worth
ні.
it for sure.
Ugh, fuck
Треба,
you.
щоб хтось був розумним.
Swift as the night. Sharp as my knife.
Давайте вас двоїх.
God.
Мені здається, їх нельга по одному, у двоїх досилати. Фух. Шанси
Wow.
були невеликі, але
That's a pleasant surprise.
ми здоліли.
I'd be impressed by this if I wasn't in ever-increasing pain.
That's the power of sound.
Ну, отшукай його. Ну-ка, не то його здольності. Я вельми дрянна... О,
There's something sketchy
Обираю.
happening in the mall parking lot. I think it's a drug deal.
у троїх треба. У тебе дебаф. Так, почекайте, покуль що. Чого б тобі додати? Розуму, може, трошку? Чи ні, давайте я ще харизми. Та-та-та-та-та-та. Поспеем. Зараз. Так, теперь у нас выбор побольше.
We needed another backup dancer. Oh.
О! Видатно. Божух, ну, треба було харизма велика, я пошансувала.
So, you creaming over this or what?
Так. Не, ну харизма 1 это недопушально. Давай хоть 2 у тебя будет. Ой, что здарился?
Damn, seeing all my followers swarm together like this, it's intimidating.
And I think it's too late for crowd control.
Ой, давай, у тебя добрая харизма. Атрымалася. Гэта было б, канешне, вельмі
Works every
дрэнна.
time.
Калі б не атрымалася. Давайте пачакаем, няхай. Голем. Not bad. Толькі паспрабую вылеціць куды-небудзь.
I think that went pretty well.
Да.
You
Добренько.
got someone that can figure out how to stop a landslide?
Stand aside.
As hot and threatening as that sounds, I'm not going anywhere. We're tied for the bottom.
Ладно,
Fucking
ідзіце.
Invisigal.
Not for long.
Трэба трошку ім давяраць.
Oh my fucking god.
Што ён зрабіў?
Sonar, you have signed your death warrant.
Worth it. Next time, don't promise a man boobs.
No one
Так,
promised
ну
you
мы
anything.
мабільныя, так што мы мусім збегчы. Ну,
That was nothing. You should really
атрымалася.
see my butterfly stroke.
Толькі ці атрымаецца ў яго цяпер? Бо можна тебе зрабіць абарончы імбой. Але думаю, табе комбо тут трошку дадаць. Вось так. Так, што у нас тут? Тут усё нейкія фанацкія нейкія сустрэчы адбываюцца. Так, нам трэба абараняць, а гэта адпачываем. Так, давайте пачакаем. Зараз ты скончыш адпачываць. І все, ты ідэальны для гэтага. Адзін, давай.
What happened?
Хто тебе за
She's
саботажем?
fine. Just walked into my sword with her face a little bit.
I don't believe in
Пошанцевала?
punching women, but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
Яким-то чином. Так. Ти у нас мегамозг некі. Давай тобі яшчэ інтелекту дадамо.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Ой, що тут? Хакнуть з камера, інвестигейт некі.
Hey, Robert. I'm pretty sure I've got the
Поспробуем?
scammer on the line.
Складанность не складаная. Так,
All
так,
right, let's
так,
see where
так,
this asshole
так.
is.
А. Ой, out of range.
Okay, none over here.
Так, так, так.
Warmer. Nearly
Warmer?
there.
Де? Ось тут?
Got him.
Шансувала трошку. Я не зрозуміла, що там знизу була за така.
Can we get some help over here? The lot is packed. No one moved in like an hour.
Так, гаїшниками нам треба підпрацювати. Призма, це нейка для тебе праця. Як быццам би.
I see you picking from the cream of the crop.
Так, тут що ми здоліли? Так, добре.
I mean, yeah. Good work, I guess.
Яны, як быццам би, больш не мішаюць одно одному. Так, нам треба хтосьці моцны. А вы тут все засаботаженные. Давай
Yeah, alright.
тебе.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Паспрабуйце, калі ласка. Не ўпэўненая, канешне. Так, што ў нас атрымалася? Я думаю, мусіла. Ой, неяк шансы...
Great. Yeah, that's exactly what I figured would fucking happen.
Ну, здараецца, здараецца. Так, тут така. Ой. Это зеленые.
Oh, no surprise there.
Окей, окей. Так. Павялічым. Ну, у яго вельмі дзіўная форма. Комбат, харізма і абарона. Не ведаю, калі мы харізму, комбат яшчэ пацягнем на 4, то розум таксама падцягнецца. Як быццам бы тады ось такая будзе. Не, напэўна, харізма. Ты у нас адзін з харызматычных. Будзем так працягваць. Так, а толькі дзесьці, мне здаецца, у кагосьці штосьці у цябе яшчэ. Мне не хапае тых, хто можа змагацца фізічна. Ну што, нават значок яшчэ не з'явіўся, што у нас хутка смена скончыцца. Не нахочам. Ладно, ідзі, калі хочаш.
Fuck off.
What are you doing, Invisigal?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said, the way to win this leaderboard.
Board game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
Все-таки вона буде їй мішати. Замість того, щоб затримати. Гэтага хлопца яна могла затрымаць, яна перашкодзіла просто. Гэта той самы.
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy. Oh, chill out.
Ну, дзяўчаты, дзяўчаты.
I'd normally say cut her, but the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
О, паспрабуем паразмаўляць з імі. Было не так дрэнна. Мы некалькі справаў не хапае сінерджі типу коннекту. Ну што ж, давайте паспрабуем паразмаўляць і неяк з'яднаць іх.
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Yeah, I know.
What are we doing? Fuck is the point of this?
I'd rather be somewhere else.
I had 1,000 better things to do.
На кожний сам по собі.
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa a six-minute workout.
Can everybody take a seat so we can get started?
And I'm missing it because of this burn shears.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started.
Oh, looks like this motherfucker's got the power to fly.
Oh, Bobby boy! Watch where you're going, huh?
Дай йому як-небудь.
Hey, you. Get out of here. Yeah, you. Fucking Barney Rubble, fuck off. You can ask one of your teammates to fill you in later.
And what if I don't?
Then I won't just kick you out of this room. I'll kick you out of the whole Phoenix program. You can go back to whatever life was so lame that you thought coming here was an improvement. Or you can step outside and think about what you
Будем
want from all of
жорсткими
this.
з вами, поспробуємо.
Why you're here. Something everyone in this room should be thinking about.
Прикольно, мені ще подобалося, я не таке милашка.
What's Golem sitting outside for?
He's in timeout.
А вас хто запрошав? Ну-ка, вийшли отсюль. А, ці у нас з менеджментом так само.
So
Ну,
we
як
getting this party
сильні такі
started?
насілі.
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come on. Fucking wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay. As you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the Z team.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
Cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a
Я шкодую, що я його витурила спокою.
you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nicki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to
Cardi B.
figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah, chill out, lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
Okay, whoa,
You talking shit, you hipster motherfucker? Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left to bust.
Ask next time, or there won't be a next time.
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch.
Okay, I'll make this quick. Most people will look around this room
Нам
and
треба
see a
ніяк
bunch of villains. Not even the super kind,
натхніть.
just plain ass, run-of-the-mill, vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. Because lucky for you, I'm not most people. When I look around this room, what I see
І
is
що ми бачимо? Боль.
pain.
Describes what I'm feeling.
Now, I can't take that pain away. I can't punish all of those that hurt you, but I can teach you how to harness it, to use it, to make something good out of the part of you they didn't get. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sort that
Хтось з тих, хто з пеплом
Florida's the dick, then
возрождається.
Louisiana's got to be the ball sack. Just, position.
The Phoenix,
Як і вони.
Sorry.
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of prey that was so tired of its immortality, it tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it ablaze, burning it to shit. But instead
Він
of
трошки
dying,
товстуватий.
the Phoenix emerged from ash,
Ми
reborn.
всі фінікси.
All of you in this room are phoenixes, and it's obvious what that means. But for you dumb ones, I'll spell it out. The phoenix symbolizes redemption. It's what you're here for. It's what connects everyone in this room. To burn up who you were, to become who you were meant to be.
Phoenix is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that band.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the leaderboards. Have a better second shift.
Fuck, I need this job.
What for, Coupe? We all know you'll just be working the roulette wheel.
That's a croupier, you idiot.
The fuck's a croupier?
Ось і порозмовляли. Ну що, як у нас зараз пойде? Полепш? Блін, чому я голема
Great speech
кікнула?
back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, you heard the man. Get out there and do some stellar dispatching. You got this.
Фух, поїхали.
My client requires protection while he does some shopping.
I remember this man.
Protection.
He tried to
Голем.
be paranoid. Secret police hired me 3 years ago to kill him. He pissed
Я
off the
на
wrong dictator
нас
who
обідюся. Ну,
Let me at him. For you,
окей.
Bobby. I'll do it.
Пробач голем. Може, все-таки він просто великий і незграбний, тому і не зашипів. Так, тут, а що у нас? Так, у нас... Тільки поспробую мені вийти, куди не треба.
Not too shabby at all, at all.
Ви, коли ви на конце розбираєтеся, хтось перед вами у чергу просто влазить. Так, нам треба хтось, хто може у розмови. Ну, нехай це будеш ти. Я думаю, ти здолієш.
Yo, Mal, what kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodeling phase recently too.
Dang.
Так, щось
Anything
відбувається.
good you'd recommend?
Depends.
Ой,
Do
а
you
я
like the sensation
нож.
of your ears bleeding?
А я Кахову пропустила. Тихо, те, що до Кахови. Ой. Ну, обступіть. Чому гэта опцію нельга? А, коп required. Яе треба було у пару давати, makes sense. Ну, давай
My motherfucking ears.
поспробуємо здольність використати.
I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
Отрималася? Отрималася. А я ще більше харизмою дать? Ці... Так, давайте ще більше харизми. Все-таки зорка як-ніяк. Так, Йон, отпочну.
Cult recruiting outside my store. They're creeping everyone out.
Що за культи тут? Так, нам треба зрозуміти, хто гэта, які у їх мети, і сказати їм сісі. Ти будеш розмовляти. Ну, а ти будеш там...
Oh, adults in matching clothes are terrifying.
Для запужування ён там буде. Тут більшого. Так, щось тут відбулося. Ой, это докладно некий культ. І яны займаються рекрутингом. А як дай хлебш? Ну, давайте освободим їх розуми. Якби там була література, яка б і не була, гэта не дрэнна яе знішваць. Тим більше у вас харизма вельми великая. Ну, 7.
Hey, fit like a glove.
Чудовно.
Ready, set, fire.
Так, давай тобі оборони ще додамо. І тобі... Давайте ще трошку. Бой.
There's a
Так.
bunch of men in the basement of the Giga Burger for some kind of fight
Fight
club.
Club.
I don't know how they got here, but they need
Так,
to go.
зачиніть гэта подземне
Since the first chimp made a
ринг.
fist. You're crazy if you think you can shut this down.
І ми можемо чекати, що яны будуть хутчэй за все супраціўляцца.
You look
Голем.
different.
Better?
А, нават троих можна взяти. Мені здається, ти ще вельми добрий варіант. Мені здається, це достатково.
Mark my words, we ain't stopping nothing. So you might as well send me in.
Почекай, ти відпочиваєш. Ви зараз ви відпочнете, я погляжу там нове завдання для вас.
My client requires protection at lunch with the governor of California.
But he's still alive. Are you going soft on us, Coop?
Так.
They couldn't pay. So
І
I
треба
canceled the
бути
job. No cash, no
підрихтованим
kill. So far,
для того, щоб прийдеться бігче. Да? Ти prepared to hand off any
I will kill or
ці...
protect as they see fit.
I thought they didn't let us kill people around here.
As they see fit.
Ну, мені їх думання як вельми добре працює, якби цим би. Так, що тут голем? Не кажи мені, що не отрималось. У-у-у. А, ні, все добре. Жовте это ми. Так, новий баль. Ну, треба комбо теж додати трошку голему так само. Все? Усё. Покуль що. Мені здається, ми тільки одно не здолели. 100%. О, у його некий статус.
Attorney just relocated
гэта калі ён перамагае некалькі разоў запар, вось гэта здольнасць. Куды ты пайшла? Па нейкіх справах сваіх
Learned from my
цёмных.
sources that the next tournament will be held at the refinery in 1 hour.
А змагацца ў турменце ці зачыніць яго? Зачыніць, конечно. Ну, вось так. Я лічу, атрымаецца. Блін, нам трэба абіраць штосьці, што ім падабаецца рабіць таксама. Так, што гэта такое? Давай павучымся лятаць. Так, тыя, хто ўмеюць летаць, ім трэба некая ліцэнзія цяпер для палётаў?
Let's learn to fly. Well, officially, legally. Your flight-capable heroes need a flight license.
Солар, атрымліваецца, зараз будзе заняты. Ну што вы тут? Overkill.
Hey, showing them how we do it big top style.
My client requires protection at the Torrance Pier.
Так. Я думаю, вы ўдваіх цудоўна з гэтым
And if
справіцеся.
SDN disagrees with me, they're more than welcome to come on. Lindsay, send our address.
У дэпатах. Ну, ты мусіш. Ну ладно.
Send someone else.
Не, не хочеш. Давайте, вися бровочки.
Fuck that guy.
Так, я атрымаў ліцэнзію.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file.
А літається він
Apparently, you've
хушей.
contained more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic, man. I can sense where they're going to be before they happen.
Listen, there's a
Так,
lot
що
of
тут
potential here for
відбувається?
a good housing insurance scheme. Just need a
О,
middleman.
є некий забойця. Looks like.
You know, if I never
Виглядає
had the
як
market for
червоний
I know
перстенок.
where to find
Що? Використати здольність.
I know this man.
Давай, бровка.
Coop knows a lot of people.
Indeed. And I can assure you he's a terrible assassin. And I, as it turns out, am an incredible bodyguard.
Кого дослать? Пап, ты не хочешь?
On it.
Щось у нас сьогодні яке заняте. І зараз ще відпочивати будуть.
All right, well done. That right there is Phoenix material.
О, тренинг. Так, это у нас то, что есть, а мы можем брать, что разблоковать. Після пораження на единичку дропають стати. А, ну ось это так-то непогано. У його не буде відпочинку? Ну, не будем потребен відпочинок. Ой, десь не пропустили. Треба буде позмагатися. Ну, тільки ви удвоїх є. Мені здається, у вас ні холера не отримається. А що буде, коли пропустить? Може скористатися ось этой штукой?
Okay, back to it. Swift as the night, sharp as my knife.
Did you get scared?
Давайте, поспробуйте.
Lightning struck spotted. Urgent care on Bakersfield Street.
Фух. Lightning Strikes. І тут 4 треба. Це некое вельми важне, напевно, задання. О, у нас вже хутко сканчується. Ну, у
I already
нас
tangled with this dickwad once. Send someone else.
без шансу, що ти щось переможеш.
I'm not feeling super confident, honestly.
Ні, може нам пошансує. Так, що у нас тут? І вони примушають менеджера чинити сейф. Ну, нам треба вирятувати. У нас так-то 8 и 6. Я думаю, 6 это довольно так высокая статистика.
I think I'm gonna use me head.
Wait, что? Это было треба на мобилити было? А не на оборону? Дупа. Давай уже сканчивайся shift. Уже ось як мені треба, нема задань, так всі відпочнули. Ну що ти тут? Криху не хапіла, ось. Могло би бути смішно.
Breathtaking work back there.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
This shit is weird. It's like we're working. What's the word?
16, ну, не дренно.
Baby, that's got a name. It's teamwork.
Isn't that like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
It's not really safe for work, you know. I'll text it to you. One sec.
Oh,
А
damn,
так,
boy,
кому з
that's
вас?
some fucking teamwork, all right?
Давай тобі полепшим.
Invisiga, where are you going?
Знов кудись пішла. Ось я не розумію, як хтось із Йой ну, хоче після мучить. Ну, типу, вона вся поводиться, ну просто як не ведаю.
Smoking in a playground? The fuck's wrong with you?
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right? I'm making it easy for you.
No, you're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're making it easy for you.
You don't get it. Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them.
Так я так само ненароджений літеральний чоловік.
What are you talking about?
Без ніяких знольностей.
They have hero powers. Strong.
І наша відео, хто я.
Flying through the sky. Nothing to hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can turn invisible and skulk in the shadows. My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate. It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant
Ми
to be a
самі
hero.
робимо свою.
You make your own
судьбу.
destiny.
Where'd you get that? Kung Fu Panda?
Lion King.
Boomer. I think it's in Trolls too, also.
All fine films with a fine message.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumbass theory, I should be an accountant.
Як я.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression. None of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again.
Давай ми з тобою зараз затягнемо весь хата.
Oh my god.
Зловим
You wanna
його, і
talk
ти
about
просто у
That
топі
lightning
спису
struck
будеш.
on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe it's third time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a third time?
What makes you think it'd be any different?
Там може зробити розницю.
He stole a roll of pennies out of the cash register at Granny's. I don't think he's moving the needle.
Oh, he's about to steal $250,000 of jewelry.
Oh, shit.
Respect.
So
Повага.
move the needle.
Давай, давай.
Or are you just gonna sit there and subject kids to secondhand smoke?
Поїхали. Ми мусимо ніяк перемогти.
Do it. Don't fucking give that kid a cigarette.
He's the one I bummed it from. What's the address?
Shut the fuck up!
Вау. Жорстко, і він його збиває. Навошта. І він же вже зв'язаний. Ой, таких там троє, плюс...
Load that up.
Ну, не ведаю, мусим неяк затягнуть їх там. По одному їх може неяк. А, ось по одному і на їх і... Зараз тобі твоя пушка не допоможе.
You, donut girl. Sure you want to do this?
Нове прозвище. Я не можу розладаватися, гэта штуковина
Busy guy,
цікава.
are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just help me find this fucker.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
It's not fair that you can see me, but I can't see you.
Життя такое несправедливое, що поробить.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything. Great. Give me a second to tap into this.
Ой, поїхали. А, немає часу обмежуваного. Это как мы...
All right. A little more tricky.
Sure, take your time.
Shh. I need quiet.
Ой-ой-ой, она обижает меня.
Antivirus. There you are.
Не знаю, може мені догнать, напевно, і знищить. Але
Got it.
все,
I can see
камера
again.
є.
That makes one of us. So where the hell is he?
Ми його бачимо. Зараз де-небудь побачимо.
I can't see him from this camera. Let me try to get another one online.
Ой, давай ще раз.
Still got it. Shit. Fuck you.
Ага. Та-дам! Так,
He's
есть.
at your 7.
Доступно, я знайшов свого собрачка.
He's heading your way.
От зараз знову будемо вентиляцію тут спробувати.
Invisigal, I got a plan.
Мені в прошлый раз не отрималося.
Fuck you. What the hell?
Ой, є ще одна спроба. Ага. Отримай. Так. Все, отрималося. У нас ось в лівому углу, мені здається, було три спроби це зробити.
Got it. On the count of 3, I'm going to turn on the main overhead lights, which should temporarily blind him.
Giving you a chance to take him out.
1.
Давай, слухай мене в этом разом. Добре? Столись. Ну, что это за корали такие тривалые? Пушку вырубай як-нибудь.
No hero. Fuck, no, let me try that again. Now you see me? Wait, what about...
Що ти не придумала я ще реч? Речі потім треба
That's the one. Would have been
казати.
better if you said it first.
Right, because lightning, thunder, struck cookbook so close.
Ну що, непогано.
Hey, Bengal boy! For
like Bengal bitch.
Or bitch boy.
Hey, Bengal bitch boy, fuck you!
Що приємно.
Where do you go?
Why are those assholes not being assholes?
Isn't this what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
Ти будеш
So,
така.
this one keeps the comm line one-on-one. This one connects to the whole team. And this one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off flight. One dispatcher broadcast the details of his botched circumcision. HR nightmare. Did you mean all that? You really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but
Ну, я сподіваюся, що
I
так.
don't know if you were just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
I want it to work. Someone like Invisigal turning it around is what this program should be about. I'm rooting for her.
So am I. I'm glad we're on the same page.
А, я так само. Ну, и на все еще 24-е, это же не опошнее место, да?
Genuinely, dude, I'm really happy for you.
So, it's between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching lightning struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bangle boy, really?
The donut shop escape, slipping past Malevola, now the jewelry store, really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look, I know I'm not supposed to play favorites here, but even if she was on the bottom, I'm not sure I'd have let you cut her.
Then it's a good thing she's not.
Yeah. So, these two are now tied for last place.
О, я
Who do
не
we cut?
хочу.
Sonar or Coop? It's your call. I support it all the way.
Чому? Ну, Сонар милий. Але Коуп
Sonar
мені
it
просто
is. He had to use
подобається.
his distress beacon before he even left the building today, so I'm not sure it's gonna work.
What happened?
He thought he was gonna see boobs and got tricked.
You somehow gave me too much detail and not enough detail in one sentence. All right. I'll get started on
Можна
the
всіх
paperwork.
покинуть.
I'll let him know.
Hey, Robert. Great work today.
Дякую. Сонар.
So, I'm sure
Може,
you know
другий
why you're
шанс?
here.
Nah, not at all, man.
О, гэта
What's up?
штука, як
What's going on, Robbie?
ранее на 9,
You,
мені здається, були.
Well,
Калі яна
cutting
он...
you.
What? No. What? Invisigal's. So she should be getting cut. She's on the bottom.
Not anymore, actually. Her last dispatch put her above you.
They're gonna call security.
This isn't over.
It actually is. Sorry it didn't work out.
Watch your back, Robert. Why is this? What? Did you?
No. You must have just locked it.
Sorry. Force of. Fuck you.
Ну, шкода мені його. Як всі шкода, мені вже ніяк звиклась к цим. Что, ты так сам будешь незадоволена этим решением?
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Did he try to choke you with that or something?
No, he just left it.
You're lucky he just stopped at the tie. Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
Что там у тебя?
You're spoiling him.
Nonsense. Talk about.
You ready to go home, bud?
Він уже Нікі спойл, чому його стільки пусика? Ну, насколько ты высоко теперь? А, это обновилось. Я не бачу її. 309? Не-не-не. Что? Смел. Чем
I still would've
пахнет?
cut you.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Thanks.
Так, ну я так думаю, что это конец этого эпизода. Так. Звісно, як все отмальовано, як пригоже виглядає. Та якби це би ось про некий Аркейн просто глядіть. Ми у меншості. Всім Сонар подобався. Звісно, він був якби це був більш розкритий персонаж, чим та дівчина-асасінка. Ну... Ми 23. Мы некие дрэнные люди с вами у гэтай увольненным. Мы дапамаглі ёй. А можна было неяк не дапамагчы? Мы 64% натхнілі іх, тым сказаўшы, што яны все феніксы. І мы 40 вырашылі, што мы самі робім сваё жыццём. Мы 36, чаму ўсе вырашаюць нешта дрэннае? Я не шою.